Energy flows where attention goes. To get what you really want in life, you need a clear goal that has purpose and meaning behind it. Once this is in place, you can focus your energy on the goal and become obsessive about it. When you learn how to focus your energy, amazing things can happen. Amazing things. Embrace that darkness. Do not fear. It's the balance that one needs to see to understand where light comes from. And the light always comes. It shines brightly from within. Let's connect to it. Center ourselves in our heart and keep on shining onwards. If you stand for a reason, be prepared to stand like a tree. If you fall onto the ground, fall like a seed that grows back to fight again. Abraham Lincoln said, "Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe." You have 24 to chop every day. Sleep, exercise, meditation, reading, those are some of your sharpening tools. Do not chop for 18 hours with a blunt axe.